Hey, this is Joe with H4H. We're out here doing a video on a bathroom renovation we got in progress here. Don't mind the mess. I just told the guys to take lunch while we do this video. We did a complete demo in this bathroom. Customers have chosen a 12 by 24 inch Nepal gray tile with the black grout to match some of the other finishes. The existing vanity here was a dual sink vanity. We've changed the plumbing to be a single sink vanity. Right here we have the electrical for an anti-fog mirror. The customer has chosen like an avocado green paint with the white ceiling. Matte black light fixture. Right here we also are going to have electrical that we installed for a bidet that's going to be installed here. Right here we have a solid surface surround. It's a panda color is what they call it, or panda design. We have dual niches. And we also have dual shower valves. We're also going to install here a bench seat, and this shower valve will be used with a wand for when you're sitting here on the bench. It's going to have a couple of grab bars here. Up here we're going to put in a can light. Here we have a heater, exhaust fan, and a light. So if you want to check out one of the other videos or the finished video of this one, check it out, H4H Remodeling Repairs.